Have you ever looked at a crochet blouse and thought, this is more than just yarn and stitches? This is art you can actually wear. Well, today, we're taking a journey through a beautiful collection of the most attractive and stylish crochet blouse designs that can completely transform your look. From elegant and simple patterns to eye-catching and creative designs, every blouse in this collection has something special to offer. So whether you love a soft and feminine style, a modern and fashionable look, or something unique that makes you stand out, stay with me until the end because you might just find your next favorite crochet design. Crochet has a special way of turning something simple into something beautiful, with nothing more than yarn, a hook, creativity, and patience. A designer can create a piece that feels completely personal, and that is what makes crochet blouses so fascinating. Each stitch tells a little story. Some designs are delicate and lightweight, perfect for a relaxed day out, while others have bold patterns and beautiful textures that instantly catch the eye. As we begin this collection, take a look at the variety of styles. Notice how different colors, stitches, necklines, sleeves, and patterns can completely change the personality of a blouse. Some designs have a clean and elegant appearance, making them perfect for anyone who loves a simple but sophisticated outfit. Others feature beautiful open-work patterns that create a light and airy feeling, especially when paired with a skirt, jeans, or a simple pair of trousers. And then we have the designs that truly make a statement. These are the blouses with intricate patterns, creative combinations, and beautiful details that immediately draw attention. They show just how versatile crochet fashion can be. One of the most exciting things about crochet is that there really isn't just one way to create beauty. A soft neutral shade can give a blouse a classy and timeless appearance. Bright colors can make the same style feel energetic and youthful. Pastel shades can create a soft and romantic look, while deeper colors can give a design a more elegant and sophisticated feel. And the beauty doesn't stop with the colors. Look closely at the stitches and textures. Some patterns are made with repeating floral-inspired details, while others use geometric shapes, waves, lace-like designs, or simple stitches arranged in creative ways. Even a small change in the stitch pattern can give an entire blouse a completely different personality. Imagine wearing one of these designs on a casual afternoon with your favorite jeans. Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this collection, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more beautiful crochet fashion, ideas, and inspiring designs. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep turning simple stitches into beautiful fashion.